Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store in iOS 26. So guys, if you are trying to download some apps but you're facing this issue on your app store, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and now go to your profile and now scroll it below and go to media and purchases and tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to simply tap on country region and now select your country or region correctly from here. So guys, first of all you have to simply select your country or region. Here I am selecting Pakistan and now tap on continue, tap on agree button, and now you have to simply add your payment method from here. So guys, simply add your payment method, and if you don't have any payment method then you have to check this to none button, and after this save this billing address and then give all this information and give your phone number and your first name and last name. So guys, do all this and save this information on your device, and after this go back and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well, and then go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the restrictions from here as well. So guys, do this and after this go back, and now hopefully your problem will be fixed and then you will be able to download apps from your app store very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.